Welcome back to Regional Food Japan. Today I'd like to show you how to prepare Osaka style udon dashi broth. Dashi stock from Osaka is characterized by rich umami of kombu, niboshi, and katsuobushi. It's so soothing and packed with umami. Once combined with soy sauce, it turns into a beautiful and flavorful Osaka-style udon dashi broth, a recipe that has been passed down from generation to generation for over 400 years. If you follow this video, you can make a perfect udon broth even if it's your first time to prepare it. As well as the udon broth, I'm gonna share with you a recipe for a classic udon dish called kitsune udon, a udon noodle soup topped with simmered fried tofu. Alright, let's get right into prep. So get yourself this much of kombu. Using a paper towel, wipe off the dirt possibly on the surface. Then place that in a saucepan. Add about 1.5 liters of water. Soak the kombu for about 10 minutes to get it ready to release umami. Now throw in a handful of niboshi. Leave the heads and guts on to achieve a profound flavor. Turn on the stove and bring it to a simmer over medium heat. Be sure to take out a kombu when the water starts to simmer, otherwise it will start to release unwanted flavor. At this point, skim off the scum. Try to remove as much scum as possible here. Now slowly simmer for 10 minutes to bring out full umami from the niboshi. 10 minutes gone by, I'm gonna go in with katsuobushi. I add 2 handsful of it here. Let it release umami for 3 minutes over the lowest heat. Very important thing is to not boil it, otherwise all the delicate flavors will be lost. Okay, the dashi stock is ready, let's strain it. Place a strainer in a bowl and place a paper towel in the strainer. Slowly strain it into a bowl through the paper towel filter. Now look at the beautiful golden dashi stock packed with umami and flavors. Let the dashi drain by its own weight and never ever try to press it out, because otherwise that's gonna help release unwanted flavors from the katsuobushi. Now we have successfully made a great base for Osaka style udon broth. To make the udon broth, pour it back into the pot, then we're gonna season it with soy sauce. And the type of soy sauce we have to use to make Osaka style udon broth is Usukuchi soy sauce. It has lighter color and milder soy sauce flavor compared to normal soy sauce. I've got about 1 liter of dashi, to that add about 120 ml of soy sauce. Then 60 ml of mirin, which is Japanese sweet rice wine. Now let me have a taste to check if it's alright. I think I need to add a pinch of salt for final adjustment. Heat it for a few minutes to cook away the alcohol. Be careful not to boil it though, because that's gonna cause a flavor loss. Now this is 100% authentic, umami-rich and soothing Osaka-style udon broth. Let me show you how to prepare kitsune udon, a traditional udon noodle soup with fried tofu. Get these thin fried tofu puffs from a Japanese supermarket. In Japanese, we call them aburage. Now we're gonna blanch them to remove the fat on the surface. Just swish them in boiling water for 20 seconds or so. This is actually a very common Japanese cooking technique used for prepping fried tofu. Now this helps the fried tofu absorb seasonings better, and of course it's healthier. Once you blanch it, just strain it. As you can see, the water is a bit cloudy. That's a sign that you've successfully got rid of the fat. Now place a paper towel in the tray and lay out the fried tofu. Place another paper towel over the tofu and press out the water absorbed in it. Now it's ready to be simmered. You know, a little technique like this makes a huge difference in the final product. Now the simmering sauce is pretty easy. Just place a fried tofu in a saucepan. Add 250 ml of the udon broth, 1 tablespoon of natural sugar, 2 tablespoons of sake, and start heating over medium heat. The fried tofu for kitsune udon is supposed to be sweet rather than salty, so I always taste test once the sauces come to a simmer. It tastes perfect. I'm going to continue to simmer it over medium-low heat until the sauce is reduced by half. Place otoshibuta, a drop lid, to make sure the sauce is evenly distributed. Since I don't have a small drop lid, I used aluminium foil and a small plate instead. Now 10 minutes gone by, so let's check inside the pan. It looks pretty good, so we're gonna turn off the heat and let it cool down. Alright, in the meantime, let's prepare the other toppings. Cut off the roots of a green onion and very thinly via slice it. I like to cut it this way for a better presentation. Now I'm gonna slice kamaboko fish cake. It's a really popular topping for udon and soba. Get yourself pre-packed boiled udon noodles. They are a very common ingredient in daily cooking in Japan, as they're convenient, budget-friendly, and delicious. Otherwise, you can also use frozen udon noodles, which you can find at Japanese supermarket as well. As I mentioned, they've been cooked already, so you just need to heat them up in boiling water for about a minute. Right, let's dish up the udon. His very traditional kitsune udon with Osaka-style udon broth. It's so soothing, flavorful, and packed with umami. It's perfect when you want to have a light and healthy meal. Right, that's it for today. If you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thanks so much for watching and see you next time. Bye.